sisis, this is me, Crisel, your forever sisis. And for this video ay gagawa tayo ng compilation of Get Ready With Me in a Week. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start this in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it on! Hi, get ready with me. First, I'm gonna put my sunscreen. The RDL sunscreen. Blend it. I'm gonna put my foundation. It's just simple makeup as an office girl. Let's just tap, 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 and then blend, and that's it. Next step is maglalagay ako ng contour and highlighter sa aking ilong para ma-beautify naman kahit paano ang ating ilong. So yun, i-blend lang natin ng konti. At maglalagay na nga po tayo ng ating blush. Ang aking gagamitin blush ay ang aking 2-in-1 na lip tint na pwede rin gawing blush on. So that's it. Hindi na muna ako nag-lipstick kasi hindi pa ako nag-blush. Second day, get ready with me. At yun nga po, foundation na agad kasi nakapaglagay na ako ng sunscreen kanina. And this time is maglalagay tayo ng highlighter and contour sa ating nose again. Bale, yung ginagamit ko ngayon is yung cream highlighter and nose contour. So, ayan, i-blend lang din natin. Maglalagay lang din ako ngayon ng as in yung contour talaga kasi yung inuna ko yung highlighter. And then, next is the highlighter or concealer sa ilalim ng aking eyes. And next is the blush on again using my 2-in-1 lip tint. Ayan, blush on and lip tint inclusion. So, that's it. After that, i-blend lang din natin ang ating blush on and just like that. Get ready with me, third day, and my job. So first, I'm gonna put again a sunscreen. Alam nyo na yun. Ulit na routine. Sunscreen muna. Kasi kahit may itim tayo, kahit hindi tayo nag-sunscreen, masusunog ang ating balat. Lalo na kapag may ginagamit tayong toner or astringent. I want to tell you guys another reason why nag-video ako is wala pa akong salamin. So I am using my phone as my salamin. Next is the foundation. Third day as an office girl. And today, meron pa akong meeting with our business partner. So, kailangan I look presentable. Kamay-kamay lang tayo guys sa pag-blend. Kasi wala po tayong blender, char. Blender. Wala tayong ano ba yun? Yung parang itlog, sabi ni Paye. Basta yun yung ang blend ng makeup. Tayo nun, wala tayong budget. May sunscreen nga at foundation tapos walang pang bili ng pang blend. Ano yun? Is that a joke? Our lipstick slash blush on. Two in one. So that's it. Blushy. Wala pa tayong powder. So, medyo malagkit siya. Pero okay lang. Ere naman. That's it for today's look. Hi! Get ready with me, 4th day. So, nakapaglagay na ako ng sunscreen. Ang next is, I'm going to put the foundation. Itong ginagamit. That's it for today. Hello, today is the 5th day of the first week of my job, and also the 5th day of my Get Ready With Me video. And yes, I am putting my sunscreen. And again, foundation. Alam nyo na yun. So, ginamit ko. Nag-rush ka daw. Mag-blush. Ito daw gamitin. Kasi, blush, brush. That's it for today's video. Okay na. Welcome. Hey, today is day 6 of Get Ready With Me. As in weekly. Get Ready With Me. Weekly. A week in my life, get ready with me. Yun pala dapat. It's my 6th day on my first week in my job. And yes. We're gonna put sunscreen first. The most important thing. Before everything.
It's smart.
Giga 99. Feeling ko may muta ako. Ibig sabihin lang yan, inaantok pa ako. Nawala kasi akong trabaho. Sanay ako na 6:30 na ako nagigising. Pero ngayon, na meron, pinipilit ko talaga ang sarili ko na magising ng 5:30. So, ayun, medyo antok pang person. Pero, kailangan natin mag-adjust kasi naman tayo pwede ma-late sa ating work. Because work is work. Ng arte-arte. Sa ngayon yan, nakapag-open na ako ng aking laptop for work, pero naisip ko, di pa pala ako nakakapagpaganda. Paganda muna ako kasi early pa naman. It's only 7:30 in the morning and ang work hours is, alam mo naman, usually is 8. Actually, di ko naman siya iniisip as in na dapat 8 ako mag-start. Ang importante lang makapagpaganda muna ako. Kasi naniwala ako that a beautiful face, that a beautiful you leads to a productive you. A beautiful you is a productive you. Yun na lang. Mas okay. Mukhang ginagalingan ko ngayon Siguro kasi rest day na bukas. Rest day na ba? As in. Talaga, rest day. Rest day. Para na lang kung madaming client bukas, why not? Okay naman ako doon. Problema. Meron na naman ako sa mata. Ano ba yan? Mahaptian naman yung eyes ko. Napasukat mo ng foundation. Ano naman siya? Goodness, nakasira ng araw. Okay. So, next, ito na naman. Maglalagay naman tayo ng blush rush. Oh my God. Yung mata ko talaga. May iyakin na naman.
Chismis gani ko.
Hi. Blush rush. Actually, maganda siya. Kanya lang, bakit tumahapdi ang aking eyes? Napasukan yata ng foundation. Naka-blend ko. Siya kita. Okay na yun. Next is Relippy. Where is Relippy? Okay. Let's get Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.